Welcome, stars. Can you imagine a celestial event so great that it casts a shadow on Earth that can be seen even in daylight? This may be the view we see in the Orion constellation. The star Betelgeuse is acting mysteriously, signaling a supernova explosion that is about to light up our skies like never before. But when will Betelgeuse go supernova, and what will it look like? What secrets will this star event reveal? Join us as we dive into the details of Betelgeuse and its potential impact on Earth and the entire solar system. Betelgeuse is about 650 light-years away in the constellation Orion, and it's no ordinary star. It is a red giant, one of the brightest stars we know, and it shines more than 100,000 times brighter than our Sun. But what does this red giant mean to us? It's not that simple, but it's been an important part of human culture for centuries. Betelgeuse, named after the Arabic word Yad al-Jawza, meaning hand of the mighty, has been seen and recorded by ancient civilizations. Because of its red color, it has guided travelers and surprised the stars. Can you imagine a star that darkens the entire solar system? To put its size into perspective, if Betelgeuse were to replace our Sun, its outer edges would extend to Jupiter. Although smaller than our Sun, Betelgeuse is nearing the end of its life, only 10 million years. Stars of this magnitude do not disappear quietly. It ends with a bang, a supernova explosion that emits unimaginable energy and brightness, possibly lighting up the entire galaxy. The last time Earth saw a supernova was in 1604. Kepler's supernova was seen by the naked eye for more than 18 months. Brighter than other stars in the night sky, it can be seen during the day for weeks. The remnants of that explosion, in the form of debris clouds, are still visible today, where we can see the jagged edges of giant stars. Now Betelgeuse is in focus again. Between 2019 and 2023, a big change called the Great Dimming took place. The brightness, which lasted for centuries, was so dim that even ordinary astronomers saw it. This sudden change has scientists saying that we may not be hundreds of years away from its supernova explosion, but it could be just a few years. In April 2023, Betelgeuse's brightness returned, but then suddenly increased by 50% over the next few months. This unexpected behavior has astronomers in a frenzy of excitement and speculation about the future. What is this change? Is Betelgeuse preparing for a massive supernova event? An established theory revolves around astrophysics and mass ejections. Think of Betelgeuse as a giant celestial volcano that explodes suddenly, spewing matter into space. Observations from the Hubble Space Telescope showed that Betelgeuse released a large amount of surface material, equivalent to several times the mass of our Moon, creating a thick cloud of dust. As the dust clears, the brightness returns, but recent events suggest that the star has more surprises in store. Is Betelgeuse supernova imminent? Scientists believe it is in its carbon-burning phase, a phase where the core will collapse within decades. However, some researchers say that it is still in the early stages of burning helium, which means that we are far from seeing an explosion. However, they all agree that Betelgeuse is the next supernova in the Milky Way. Although we predict the end of Betelgeuse, the universe is a paradox. The Moon we see from Betelgeuse today began its journey 650 years ago, so if it erupted early, it wouldn't be known for another 650 years. It's like looking back in the world's time capsule. Betelgeuse may have already reached its explosive end and is just waiting for the light to reach us. The new discoveries about Betelgeuse have drawn comparisons with the discovery of supernova SN 2023X earlier this year. Occurring in a galaxy close to the Milky Way, this supernova displays a brightness that is much brighter than the host galaxy. Many believe that the Betelgeuse eruption follows a pattern, foreshadowing things to come. But when Betelgeuse explodes, it's a reminder of the dynamic and evolving nature of the universe. In addition to scientific findings, culture has a significant impact. For thousands of years, people have looked to the stars, drawing meaning and inspiration from the sky. A supernova like Betelgeuse changes the night sky, leading to a reflection of the universe's instability, the universe's time, and our place in it. About how a star turns into a supernova. This type of data is important because it helps astronomers understand the life cycle of stars and the processes that lead to their destruction. Supernova SN 2023 EXF gave scientists a rare opportunity to observe a supernova explosion in real time, capturing the first stages of the event and what followed in unprecedented detail. By comparing SN 2023 EXF to Betelgeuse, astronomers can draw similarities and identify unique differences between stars at different stages of their lives. Although Betelgeuse has yet to go supernova, the sudden changes in its behavior, especially the massive ejection of material and massive recession, indicate that the star is in its final stages. However, predicting when a star will explode is a very difficult task, and Betelgeuse may be surprised for decades, centuries, or even millennia. If Betelgeuse goes supernova in our lifetime, it will be a major celestial event. A supernova can be seen even during the day for weeks or months, shining like a full moon in the night sky. Even though it's scary to show, there's no threat to life on Earth because of Betelgeuse's safe presence with US.ASA result. Betelgeuse is one of the most mysterious and fascinating stars in our galaxy. The ability to go supernova has fascinated astronomers and the public alike, and recent developments have increased the sense of fantasy surrounding this giant. As we continue to watch Betelgeuse and other stars like it, we are about to unravel the mystery of the life and death of the stars, and maybe one day we will see the wonderful end of life, of Betelgeuse. Until then, our telescopes will be trained on the night sky, waiting for the wonders of the universe. We hope this episode gave you a deeper insight into the fascinating world of stars, especially Betelgeuse, and its impending journey towards becoming a supernova. What does the future hold for our night sky? One thing's for certain, the universe is always full of surprises, and we'll be here to unravel the mysteries one by one. Feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more deep dives into cosmic phenomena, space discoveries, and all things beyond our world. Together, let's continue exploring the unknown, and who knows, maybe we'll witness Betelgeuse's grand finale sooner than we think.